Hi, I'm Julia. I'll show you how to turn a spreadsheet into weeks of ready-to-publish tweets in a single upload with Circleboom. First, open Circleboom. Head to the XAI Writer section on the left and click Bulk Schedule. Then a panel opens with the formatting rules for your import file. Your spreadsheet needs 4 columns: text, image_URL, labels, and posting_time. And every row needs at least a caption or an image, never both blank. After that, grab the sample CSV template if you don't already have your file set up. It'll show you the exact date format to use and remind you that each posting time has to sit at least 15 minutes ahead of right now. Then drop your finished .csv straight into the upload box or click to browse for it on your computer. Circleboom can handle up to 1,000 rows per file, so a full month's worth of tweets fits in one go. After that, hit Next and let Circleboom scan every line. It'll split your import into valid posts and rows that need a fix, so you're never guessing what actually made it through. Then work through the preview table. Captions, images, labels, and posting times all laid out. Use the status filter or the search bar to jump straight to anything flagged as invalid. After that, once everything checks out, click Schedule Posts and your whole batch drops into the publishing queue at once. Not ready to commit yet? Click Add to Collection and keep the batch saved for later. Then pop into Outbox to confirm every post landed where it should, or switch to Calendar View to see the entire month laid out visually, and adjust or remove anything before it goes live. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy Circlebooming!